Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to define function. List the categories of spreadsheet functions. Use the different techniques in inserting spreadsheet functions. A function is a predefined calculation entered in a cell to help you analyze or manipulate data in a spreadsheet. All you have to do is add the arguments and the calculation is automatically made for you. Functions help you create the formulas needed to get the results that you are looking for. Functions. Example, we can use the sum function. This function takes as an argument a range of cells and calculates the sum of all cells. Function syntax. To use functions correctly, you need to understand the different parts of a function and how to enter the function arguments. Each function has a specific syntax, which must be followed in order for the function to work correctly. The basic syntax to create a formula with a function is 1. Insert an equal sign. 2. Insert the function name, sum, for example as the function name for addition. 3. A function normally accepts one or more arguments. Arguments in function. Arguments contain the data on which the function will calculate the result. In most cases, the arguments are references to cell areas or individual cells. Arguments must be enclosed in parentheses. Example 1. The formula equals average A1, A4 will calculate the average of the numbers in the cell range A1 to A4. The argument in this case is the cell range A1, A4. Multiple arguments within parentheses are separated with a comma. Example 2. The formula equals sum A1, B3, C2, C3, C1 will calculate the sum of all cells in ranges A1, B3, C2, C3 and the individual cell, C1. Therefore, in this case, the sum function accepts multiple arguments. Functions by category. Database. Date and time, financial, information, logical, mathematical, array, statistical, spreadsheet, text, add-ins. Database. This section deals with functions used with data, organized as one row of data for one record. Date and time. These spreadsheet functions are used for inserting and editing dates and times. Financial. This category contains the mathematical finance functions. Information. This category contains the information functions. Logical. This category contains the logical functions. Add-ins. The following describes and lists some of the available add-in functions. Statistical. This category contains the statistics functions. Array. This category contains the array functions. Spreadsheet. This section contains descriptions of the spreadsheet functions, together with an example. Text. This section contains descriptions of the text functions. Mathematical. This category contains the mathematical functions. Inserting functions in spreadsheet. You can insert functions in spreadsheet, either manually or using the function wizard. Insert a function manually. 1. Select the cell where the result will appear. 2. Type the equal sign, then enter the function name, sum, for example. 3. Type the cell's reference for the argument or arguments. Alternatively, you can select with the mouse, the cells, or cell range, to automatically insert the arguments inside the parentheses. 4. Press enter, and the result will appear. The Functions Wizard is a tool that helps us, first to find the function we want through the library, and secondly to introduce the arguments step by step, and with the correct syntax. Inserting a function using Wizard. 1. Select the cell that will contain the formula and the result will appear. 2. Click the button on the formula bar to open the function wizard. 3. On the search bar, type the function name. When you select a function, its description appears on the right-hand side of the dialog. Double-click on the function name from the list or click Next. 4. The wizard now displays an area to the right, where you can enter arguments manually by typing them inside the text boxes. Alternatively, you can click the shrink button to shrink the wizard so you can select cells from the spreadsheet using the mouse. Press OK to exit the wizard. Let's practice. Choose the letter of the correct answer. A predefined calculation, entered in a cell to help you analyze or manipulate data in a spreadsheet. A. Arguments. B. Functions. C. Formula. D. Equal sign. The answer is B. Functions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. This category deals with functions used with data organized as one row of data for one record. A. Financial. B. Array. C. Date and time. D. Database. The answer is D. Database. Choose the letter of the correct answer. This section contains descriptions of the spreadsheet functions, together with an example. A. Spreadsheet. B. Mathematical. C. Add-ins. D. Statistical. The answer is A. Spreadsheet.